Hey guys, welcome to Aussie Indian Adventures, another vlog. This time we will show you how we have spent our 2 nights in Sofitel Melbourne. The hotel is just step away from the tram stop, so which is perfect if you want easy access to the city. Now let's take you inside our room. We stayed in the luxury corner room with a king bed. And this room is all about the views and views. On one side, you get a beautiful city or bay views, and on the other side, you get a clear view of iconic Melbourne cricket ground, the G. It honestly feels like the perfect spot to enjoy Melbourne from above. For pricing, a night in this room is around $500, but if you are an Accor member and if you have an Accor Plus membership, you can book 2 nights and get one of the nights included in your stay offer. So, great value, especially for a room with views like this. After settling into our room, it was time to get ready for dinner. Tonight we are dining at number 35, which is a signature restaurant here. The space looks stylish, warm, and perfect for a relaxed evening. You also get a beautiful views of Melbourne skyline while dining, which makes the whole experience even more special. For tonight, we choose La Menu de Chef, which is a banquet option, but you can also go for a la carte if you prefer. Also, we opted for vegetarian, which includes 3 entree and 1 main. The food was beautifully presented and full of flavor. Every dish felt fresh and thoughtfully made. And as you can see from Nikita's expression, we both truly enjoyed every bite. This is actually pretty good.
So guys, now you may ask why I'm having risotto, like why a girl like this is having risotto. Because there was lamb shoulders and toki said, so like you can have lamb shoulder but it is serving too. Okay, bande kitne kha sakte isliye I'm having risotto.
And we finished our dinner with their signature dessert called Bombay Alaska. It tasted amazing and was a perfect sweet ending to our night at number 35. The next morning, we headed down for the breakfast buffet, again at the number 35. They have plenty of fresh options to choose from. And the views made it even better. It was a great way to start our day before exploring more of our hotel. After breakfast, we also checked out at the club lounge. You can only access it only if you book a room that includes club lounge benefits. Next, we walked through the Atrium Bar. We are gonna definitely come in the evening for a couple of drinks. And then you can shred out your calories in their gym as well. We also tried their in-room dining. The service was quick, but there's an extra $10 charge for the delivery. Now we are all ready and heading to the Atrium Bar for our evening drinks and dinner. We were amazed by looking at their drinks menu. There are so many options to choose from. After going through their menu, we decided to try their vodka experience. It's a fun, unique, and a great pick if you want something special. And you're not gonna believe it, this is the first time we both of us having a straight vodka, so it felt exciting and a little new for us and bit crazy as well. And ending our night with a sweet treat. Thanks everyone for watching our Sofitel Melbourne vlog. We hope you enjoyed it and we'll see you in the next one.